Okay, here's an interesting one. This is Wychcraft blonde beer, and it's from the Wychwood Brewery in England. I've had two other beers from Wychwood. Black Witch, I believe one of them was, and the other was Hobgoblin. They don't carry them anymore in my beer store, so I can't do reviews of them anymore. This was before I started reviews, which sucks because they were both actually quite excellent and I liked them. But anyway, we'll try this one. It's 4.5% and it's essentially a pale ale. Okay, oh, nice little hit going there. Very sort of light coppery look to it. Let's see now. I saw reviews that said there was sediment in this bottle. I don't see any in the glass. Wow, that's a nice head. That looks like it's going to stay pretty solid. Yeah, I don't really see any chunks of sediment in there. I saw reviews saying there was chunks of sediment, but apparently that was wrong. Okay, anyway, let's read this sucker up. Wychcraft, thrice hopped. From the crucible of brewing comes the elixir of flavor. The four elements of earth, air, fire, and water summoned together. A pale golden potion with delicate red hues. Wychcraft has a heady burst of fresh citrus aroma, deprived from 3 infusions of Styrian Goldings hops. Okay. Good enough for me. Okay, so let's smell it now. I can almost smell apples in that. Sort of an apple-y kind of citrusy smell. Maybe a hint of caramel in there. Kind of bready too. Yeah, that's nice. That's very pleasant. Very, very pleasant smell. Okay, so we'll take a taste now. See if the taste is any better than the smell. Or at least matches it. Pretty bitter up front. Sort of a citrus comes in. Taste it here again. Nice pleasant bitterness right up front. Sort of goes into a citrusy kind of taste. Don't really taste any of the caramel or apples or anything like that that was in the smell. Just sort of very dry, kind of bittery taste. Maybe almost grapefruit, but not quite. Very nice, very nice. Reminds me of Spitfire Kentish Ale in as far as the bitterness goes. It's got sort of that charcoaly kind of bitterness to it, but it's a bit lighter than that. That's really quite nice. I recall liking the other Wychwood beers better than this one. The Hobgoblin and the Wychwood, or whatever it was. I can't remember what it was called, but there was the Hobgoblin and there was the other one. if you go on Beer Advocate or someplace like that, you'll be able to find them really quickly. I like those ones better because, of course, they were darker, and I prefer darker beers. But this is actually quite excellent. I give it a 4 out of 5 right away. It's really nice and pleasant, good drinking beer. I could drink a lot of these in a row. Yeah, so Wychwood Wychcraft blonde beer, 4 out of 5. Definitely worth checking out.